Hey, welcome to Maimoments, and today I'm going to review this product right here, which I got it for $64 and how many cents I can't remember, but the value of this product is $100 to $120, and I'm excited to try this product right here to create this amazing curl. And we are going to talk about the detail of how this is going to work. I never tried this product before, so it's my first time. There will be a lot of confusion, but we're going to work together to figure that out. And as always, let's get started. So the feature of this product is that it can run to 410 for all hair types, and then they have a dual button to control current directions. So I guess like if I want my curl to go to the right, then it's able to do it, and if I'm in the left side, then I'm able to go to the direction of left side. And then there's curling time of setting from 15 seconds to a 19 seconds, so depend on how long you want the current iron to hold your hair and to release itself. And then there's is a 1 hour auto shutdown for safety, so if you forgot to turn this off, and it's going to turn off by itself, which is a very good idea. And the other stuff is not going to be crazy. And then a free cleaning tool. So I don't know how this is going to look like. This is my first time trying it. Apparently I'm having super hard time opening this product. So I guess this kind of better than if you were using a wand or a clips whenever you curl your irons, because you are likely to get burnt. And so with this one, you would not. And let's open this and see what is this. I am super excited to see what inside here. Oh my gosh. It's pretty hard to open. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay. So here's the directions. I'm gonna try to follow this direction to see how this works. And then I have a cleaning tool, which is this little bitty brush, or I don't know what it looked like. Okay, interesting. Huh. It's this. I don't know how I still don't even know how this works. But I'm just going to plug it in and see how this thing works. So before I'm starting curling my hair, I definitely want to protect my hair first, and I'm using is a 10. I recommend this product to you so much because I love this product so much. I've been using when I was in high school, and I continue to use ever since. It's a really good product, and this is the 10 ounce, and I'm going to spray all over your hair. You get the option to use this before you're applying some heat on it, or when your hair is damp, and the smell is so good. So I'm just spraying all over my hair, and I'm mainly target toward the end because it does help with split in, and I'm using a comb to brush it through. We're gonna turn this on. Here is a on button right here, and is telling me that it's going to be for 15 seconds, and it can go up to 410 degrees. Gonna peel this off, and as you can see, the number is changing right now, so it's trying to heat up itself. And this button right here is the directions of where you want your current, I guess where you want your hair to curl, if it's on the left or the right side. So I'm gonna divide my hair into sections, and I'm going to use a brush to secure it. and I'm going to take a section like this. So what it's telling me to do is hold it 90 degrees like this, and I'm going to...
Seriously, after an hour I got frustrated because many attempts, so I went on YouTube to see how they do it.
I'm going to start out by taking a 1-inch section of hair, and you're going to place it in between the 2 small barrels on the inside. And then you're going to hold.
I guess this part facing outward, and this part... Oh my god, yes! So it's gonna spin, release. Oh! Oh! It worked! Oh my god! Okay, let me do it again. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It worked! Oh, it looks so pretty! Yes, yes. Okay, let me try again. I totally did it wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it again between the barrel, and then I'm going to take it. Interesting. Why are you beeping like maniac? Okay, so I'm going to take this again, and then I'm gonna curl my hair, and I'm just gonna hold that until it stops because it's counting 15 seconds and it will release itself. So, oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. And I'm going to do it again just to make sure that it works perfectly. And then 15 seconds, I'm going to gradually release, and bam, I have a curl. Oh, this is really fast, you guys. This is like so fast. Okay, I'm going to place this, and I want my curl to be this way. I don't understand why it's keep beeping. I still don't understand that part. I need to just figure that out. But for technically, like the general things is that I can able to curl my hair. So you trying to hold it like 90 degrees, placing in the middle first, and then just hold it in this button right here, and then once it's ready, you can release it. Ta-da! So I'm going to hold it out like this. So you need to have the curling part facing outward, because if you're trying to do inward like me earlier, you're gonna fail. And so I'm just going to place it between here, and then I'm just going to spin it. I'm still holding it, and then I'm going to release it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, this is really fun, and it's so fast, so easy. And I know that if it's more than 1 inch, it's not going to do it correctly. So I have to divide up into like pretty much section, or it would not work. And so I'm going to divide this portion in half, and then I'm going to replace it toward the right. I love it. And then you can hold it, you know, just a little second, and then release it if you like. This product is so fast, it's so easy. My hand is not tiring versus if I was trying to curl my hair or using a wand. So I would give this product like A+. Whoever invented this product, genius. I love it. For $100, I mean, for $100, pretty expensive, but if you wait for the sale, I think it's much better investment. And so this is like save you time, and also like kind of save you money in a way, because time is money technically. So fast. I will recommend this product to anybody who want perfect curls and don't know what the heck they're doing when they curl their hair. This is a great investment, and I don't have anything like bad to say about this product other than it's creating too much beeping noise. But other than that, I would say go ahead. I would say go ahead and purchase this product if you're trying to make an investment of something like this. This is a baby list brand, so it's pretty pricey for itself. But this is the original way of how you supposed to curl your hair, which means that you clipping it and then twisting it. And the second generation came out with a wand, so you just looping your hair around. But this is the another generations that is coming out, and there's another one that by what is the product? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. What is the product? So there's another one which is extremely pricey of a Dyson. Yes, the Dyson's hair curls, which is like $300. I don't remember how much is it, but it's pretty pricey. And so if you're trying to find something that is going to curl itself, definitely invest in this. Well, I have a great experience with this. I hope you learned something new and how to use this, because the first time when I tried to use this, oh my gosh, I was super confused. Reading the manual did not help apparently, and so they say that you can use this cloth right here to clean with inside, and if you are using it like every day, then you have to clean it once per week. But for me, I don't curl my hair every day because that's just damaging your hair when it's creating too much heat, and that's how you're getting split in. And so for me, I just learned whenever I go into a special occasions, that's when I curl my hair. Other than that, I just have my natural hair, and it's also like good for your hair because of natural oil, natural ingredients out of your hair will help your hair to grow longer and healthier. Make sure to give this video a thumb up, comment below of what you want to see next, and click subscribe button for more video. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.